Yeah. D for dinosaur. This one. B for book. Let's sorry. This one. G for giraffe.
Ang galing ah! G for giraffe.
Very good.
K is for
K for...
Panda. Very good.
K is for Kung Fu Panda. Ang galing!
Ah, very good.
F naman F. Number is ay! Spider.
Next. V. V is for...
Hi.
V is for...
Hi.
No, this one. V for... Violin.
Yan.
Mama.
How about this? U is for...
U is for...
Camilla.
Umbrella. Yung umbrella.
Galing!
Ay, tapos na yung D, no? C is for...
Cold.
Cold.
Cold?
Tapos na.
Cold.
Ang galing naman niya. Yung cold, akala ko dapat parang C is for cut.
Oo.
Pero alam niya, C is for cold.
What letter is this? Oo.
S.
Ang galing siya.
Sun.
Sun. Ang galing!
And ate, Shenny.
S-H-E-N-I-C-E. Shiny.
U. What about you?
U is for...
Vanilla.
Umbrella. This one. T is for...
Vanilla.
No, T is for...
Top of O.
Table.
Table.
O is for...
Octopus.
Y is for...
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Very good.
N is for...
No.
Nose.
F.
F is for...
Factory!
Wow.
Ang galing!
Y is
Oh, ikaw na, Johan! You're so great!
Wow.
ready